ሰላም ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬ አንድ በ12ኛ ክፍል ላይ የመጣ ጥያቄ እንሰራለን። ወደ ጥያቄው እንሂድ። ሌት ዜድ ኢዝ ኢኳል ቱ 1 ማይነስ አይ ኦቨር 1 ፕላስ አይ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ 18 ዘን ዋት ኢዝ ዘ ቫሊዩስ ኦፍ ዜድ? ኤ ማይነስ 1 ቢ አይ ሲ ማይነስ አይ ዲ 1 ማይነስ አይ። ሌትስ ፕሮሲድ ዘ ሶሉሽን ሴት ኦፍ ዚስ ኢኩዌሽን። ጊቨን ዜድ ኢዝ ኢኳል ቱ 1 ማይነስ አይ ኦቨር 1 ፕላስ አይ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ 18 we need to find the simplest form of what? Z. Let it be W is equal to 1 minus I over 1 plus I. That means Z is equal to, this is W is the power of 80. Then to simplify, Z multiply W first by what? By 1 minus I over 1 minus I. That means the conjugate of what? The denominator. So W is equal to 1 minus I over 1 plus I, which is equal to 1 minus I over 1 plus I times 1 minus I over 1 minus I. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times minus I times 1 is minus I. Minus of minus is plus I times I square over 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times minus I times 1 is plus I, and plus I times minus I square. So 1 minus I is minus 2 I square is minus 1, the whole over 1 minus I cancelled by minus positive I. We have what? I square means it's minus 1, minus of minus is plus 2. So this one is cancelled by this one, and we have minus 2I over 2. Then 2 cancelled by 2, we have minus I. Then find Z is equal to W is the power of 80 by what? By substituting W is equal to minus I. In place of W, we will substitute what? Minus I, and we have minus I the power of 80, which is equal to, by using rule of exponent, it is equivalent to minus 1 the power of 80 times I the power of 80. So I the power of 80, which is equal to I the power of 2 the whole 9, where I the power of 2, which is equal to minus 1, then minus 1 the power of 9, minus 1 the power of an odd power or integer, it is minus 1. Therefore, the simplest form of it, which is equal to what? Minus